Welcome back to LearnWire. In this video, we're going to be doing kind of a wrap up of the best products on AppSumo for May 2022. There are going to be some apps in here that I recommend that I actually have not done reviews on, but I'm going with looking at all the apps that are hitting AppSumo and how many reviews, in particular, how high the reviews are, basically as close to 5 tacos as possible. So we're looking at which ones are accumulating the most 5 taco reviews, and that does absolutely signal a good product. Now, some of them are a little bit outside of the scope of what I'm interested in, so I may not do a review on them if it's not really SEO or website related. So I will share those with you because I don't want you to miss out on any of them. And then some of them I have done reviews for, and then I have a couple of housekeeping questions for you. So let's get started. We're on AppSumo. Now, the first thing is, there is a new product that launched in May that I'm not putting it on my recommended list quite yet, but it has gotten 26 very fast 5-star reviews. And it is in the AI writing niche, right? And I know a lot of you really enjoy the AI writers. And this one is the closest that I could consider this it's very close to Article Forge. You're going to be able to pop out 1,500 word articles from just one keyword. But here is the thing about this, is that when we scroll down, there are a lot of people that obviously they're not giving you a lot of content for the lifetime deal. And we will go over that if I actually do a review. I don't want to get too into it, but people are saying that this is some of the highest quality AI that they have ever seen. I mean, Sumo Wings have probably picked up every AI writer on the platform, and it's just getting 5-star after 5-star after 5-star, 5 tacos, right? And they're all mostly mentioning the quality, which is a very big surprise to be able to pump out a 1,500 word article and actually maintain relevancy and quality. So that's what's interesting. Now, I will say that they're not generous at all with what you're going to get with the lifetime deals. If you pick up the 4 stacks, you're only getting 30,000 words, right? But I'm willing to pick up a stack or even go and purchase a monthly plan from Wordplay to do a review. So just leave a comment below, just say Wordplay. If you want me to do one of my next reviews on Wordplay AI Writer, then just comment below and put Wordplay. If I get enough of them, then I will go out and invest in the software so I can do a proper review for you guys. Okay, so and then one other housekeeping thing, I'm not really putting this on my May list because it's been on AppSumo this second time for quite a while. It's been on for maybe 2 or 3 months. I absolutely recommend you guys and go pick this software up, but it wasn't brand new in May, right? And I'm trying to kind of stick to original products that hit the platform for the ones I'm going to be giving you today. But I just wanted to put this out there, guys. WriterZen, an amazing keyword research software, one of the only tools that I've seen on the entire market that actually does topic clustering, keyword clustering, so you can really map out exactly how you should write your content on a website. And they're very generous with their lifetime deals. I believe I picked up 3 codes on this right here, and you can stack up to 4 codes, and I got the 3 codes, I believe. And I use WriterZen for keyword research. It's a really good keyword research tool. One of the only ones out there that also does all-in title analysis. So you can use this to optimize your content. You can use this. They even have AI writing built in. That's not really what I like it for. And I think that there's better options out there for AI writers. But the keyword research function of this is worth getting it alone. Obviously, they have 213 reviews, almost 5 tacos. So go out and get WriterZen. It's only available for 22 hours at the time of recording this on May 30th. Okay, so we're going to jump into our first one. Now, I haven't done a review on this, but I did do a review on Hippo Video, which is similar to Big View, and I want to get to doing a review. Hopefully, I'll be able to get to doing a review on Big View, but I wanted to add this in there because they, I believe it's their second time back on the platform. They just came back in May, and they probably won't be on the platform for much longer. If you do any kind of you don't even have to be a YouTuber. You could be doing this in your business to make training videos or any kind of human resources type training videos, anything like that. Big View is going to allow you to create videos quickly, and for those of you that might not be as good on camera or memorizing your script or what you want to talk about, they have that covered in here. You can do all your video editing, and it's a really good teleprompter. So this one starts at $69 and it has 177 reviews, very close to the 5 tacos. Again, this is a really good one. I would go out and get it, and stay tuned to the channel. Make sure to subscribe because I'll try to get a review out on this very soon. I'm going to come through here. Here's another one. I have not done a review on this one, but this is Heartbeat, and you can't, I can't not put it on the list. This is kind of an unbiased list, to be honest. I'm doing this list today, not based on the ones that I reviewed, but based on that they're hot on AppSumo. They're under the customer favorite categories. And you can just tell that they have 5 tacos, 108 reviews. They've got a lot of momentum. And what this allows you to do, Heartbeat, is that you can build and manage active online communities from your own domain. So if you want to put on, like if you have like a Facebook group, basically where you could connect with students or customers, and you want to actually put something like that, kind of like a very interactive forum on your website, you'll be able to do that with Heartbeat. So go check that out if that's something that you need for your website. Then we're going to get in over here. Now this is one of the softwares that I really want to review. I just have not had a chance to do it, but I have to put it on the list because they've come back for the second time on AppSumo. They're only here for 3 more days. So at the time you're going to see this video come out, it's actually going to be just 2 days left, because I'm filming this in 1 day in advance, this video. So Squirrely SEO, you're going to want to go pick it up. It's a Rank Math and Yoast alternative, and it has a lot more features than those 2 tools, including a pretty robust keyword research tool inside of it. And then also it's going to help you, it's going to use artificial intelligence to go out and analyze your on-page SEO and tell you exactly the technical aspects of SEO that you need to correct, and then also things that you need to add into your content, maybe subtract from your content, and just a really good SEO, on-page SEO tool for your website. It'll do all kinds of really cool things. It'll you can do all kinds of settings when you can get it to where when you publish an article, it will automatically ping the search engines to come and crawl your website. It'll take care of sitemaps for you. It'll do all kinds of good stuff. So definitely Squirrely SEO is at 5 tacos, 288 reviews. People love this software. Come down here. And they have really good prices, up to 5 sites. Just starts at $49. I really like when there's a pretty good limits on what they're giving you for just the $49 plan. And obviously you can work your way up to the 147 unlimited websites, 100 focused keywords, and so forth. And we come through here, and then we start looking at some of the reviews, and people just really like this. Excellent, 5-star, 5-star, 5-star. Okay. All right, so if you get a chance, go pick up Squirrely SEO, because it is going to be gone and in about 2 days. By the time you see this video, only 2 days left. Go pick it up. All right, another one, I did a review on this one, Beacon, and I was very impressed with this software. You can boost your conversion rates and generate more leads with lead magnets. You can use this, and it has all kinds of different features in order to create free lead magnets, PDFs, handouts, all kinds of really good things. You can also integrate this with your website and do list building with this. So it's a very interactive and very creative software. And you can see they have 137 reviews and almost 5 tacos as well. And it is an alternative to Designer. And basically you can choose your product if you want a lead magnet, a lead capture form, or resource library. And you can see you have all these different buttons right here. So almost like building a website, but you're building a lead magnet or an ebook that you can give out for free, or you can even sell the product. And then you can import blog content. So if you have blogs, you want to turn that into a free handout, especially recycling. One good thing, you could actually use blog content that is not really popular on your site to create one of these lead magnets to actually get people to read that great content that you have, but maybe the content's just not ranking on your website or ranking in the search engines. You can repurpose that content and build lead magnets with that, right? They have all kinds of different templates and so forth, and it starts with a pretty good price here and so forth. Okay, so if you wanted to just jump it up and have 100 domains you could connect it with, this would probably be the best one to get, is the double. So people are really liking this. I recommend Beacon. All right. So, and then May was a kind of a month for, and you know, these might have hit in April too, but I'm going with them for May. But May was definitely like the month for, online learning platforms, right? Like UTeach, there was Heights platform. I picked up 3 tiers of Heights platform, and that's no longer available on AppSumo. UTeach is really, really good as well, and they are picking up reviews really, really fast. You can manage and automate online teaching with a fully loaded platform right here. It starts at $89, 52 5-taco reviews. We scroll through here. Obviously, it's a Udemy, a Kajabi, LearnWords, Thinkific, and Teachable type alternative. Okay, you can watch the video. It's definitely a featured product, high quality. We'll come down here, and you can see all the different templates. You can really build a professional landing page and host all of your courses on here. Now, this is what's really cool about this one. They're giving you unlimited courses, unlimited live sessions that you can produce with Tier 1, and then they also provide unlimited hosting, video hosting. So this is a really, really good, one of the best buys, probably the top best buy on AppSumo if I had to call one for the month of May. Starts at $89. All you really need is $89, unless you're actually trying going to have more than 5 admins, where I just don't see how that's going to be needed. Even if you wanted to have a virtual assistant helping you and maybe even a video editor, you would only need a couple people. You definitely wouldn't need 10 or more. So license Tier 1 is all you're going to need with UTeach. And of course they've got all the 5-star, just really, really good. 5-star, 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 boom. So UTeach, go pick it up if you want to build online training courses and sell them. Last but not least that I'm going to have on my list today is GuruCan. You can create, promote, and sell online courses with this mobile-first 5-in-1 platform. Now, I have checked out the video and everything. I didn't do a review on this one, but obviously, and I believe this is their second time back on the platform, you want to pick this up before they go away as well. Starts at $79, and they've got a lot of reviews, and they've got some good ratings. Obviously, Kajabi is the alternative that they're really going after. I don't even know what Mighty Networks is. But Teachable, Thinkific are the popular ones for me, and this is going to be another alternative to that. Now, what they really, really specialize in is creating the most amazing mobile-first e-learning app with your brand. So you can actually brand your own app. People download the app and then they purchase a course, and then it's all branded to you. You can create an entire ecosystem, mobile learning ecosystem with GuruCan. So create stunning online courses. This one's definitely robust and people really like it. Lots of integrations. You can see all the integrations right there as well, and so forth. So you also get a lot of storage, 125 gigabytes of bandwidth, 1,000 marketing emails per month, unlimited active students. So there's some really good things to kind of compare this with UTeach and others. This is another really good one. They've done a really good job on the pricing, I think. So we can come through here and just look. The only platform that covers my needs, 5 tacos, and now in English, 5 tacos. So looking good. So that's going to be it for all the deals that I'm recommending that I think that gained a lot of momentum, got a lot of fresh reviews, and a lot of satisfied Sumolings picking up all of these. So just wanted to get these out there. Let me know what you guys think. Comment below what your favorite app was on AppSumo for May. And just even if it wasn't on this list, comment below. I want to know about those. All right. Thank you guys. Make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe to LearnWire so you can get more tutorials, more software reviews, and so forth. See you next time.